So Link, also known as Chainlink, is sitting at $24 right now. This is one of those slow moving projects out there, and we had some really fun with it in the year of 2022 to 2023, because for more than 1 year it ranged in this range, and we had fun because I used a grid bot on it from here, from somewhere in the middle to here, because I realized that it is actually ranging, and I didn't know that this thing is going to range for more than a year. It was really fun because it was ranging between, just a second, it was ranging between $6 and $9, if I recall it correctly. Yeah, so it was like receiving money for free. Whenever it goes down, it would buy it automatically, and go up, then you will sell. But now things have changed, of course. It has started pumping up. Now, this is not a cup and handle. The structure is broken. It would have stayed cup and handle, but it has turned this into a double bottom. I'll share the larger story of Link, because I don't cover Link coin too often. I think I might be covering this at third or fourth time. The support for this overall journey is at the neckline, and that is at $22 of this double bottom. It's an ugly double bottom, but it is, as long as it doesn't break below 22 and it continues to live above it on weekly basis, because this is a weekly chart, you can expect Link to go towards $38. Let's call it 40, to it would be easy to remember. So the deliverance on this double bottom would be to shoot up towards $40. So Link will go towards $40. That would be our first target. But if it breaks below $22 for 2 weeks, it needs to spend 2 weeks above it. And if it breaks below it, then 2 weeks, then that would pretty much confirm that Link is done with the upward journey, because it has broken out of the all-time high of 2024 March. It has already outperformed this. Now it just needs to outperform the 2021 prices, which will take way more efforts than what you would think of. So on the basis of short-term story, now we know the long-term story. The short-term story tells us that the support is at $19, not at 22, but it will help you. It will help you with the downward journey. So if it loses $22, that will indicate that it is actually dropping towards its last support of $19, because the moment it loses 19, then this thing is going to start a downward journey. It's going to turn bearish. So 22 is going to be our indicator, and on 4 hours, it is kind of one top that it has created. There is a possibility it would create another top and then do, or it might as well just create an inverse head and shoulder, and just not head and shoulder, inverse cup and handle, and then just shoot down. Whatever happens, you would know, but your support is at 22. It's sitting at 24. So it's a close enough support. And of course, your first line of resistance for Link is at $28. As long as it holds 22, from short-term perspective, I'm not talking about the long-term perspective, you can expect it to go towards 28. If it breaks 22, your last support is at $19, because after 19, then we are going to talk about the downward journey, and you would be seeing this thing going back all the way down towards $10. But it's too much dramatic. It's too early to say all that stuff. None of that has happened. Everything depends on 22. If it breaks 22, then the last hope is 19. And by the time you watch this video, you would know what happened to 22. And of course, in the long term, if I see that there's so much reaction to this video, that as too many people are invested in this, then I'll come back and I'll update you. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.